Welcome to Get the Math. In this lesson, we are talking about one of the most important ideas in all of algebra, the function. So what exactly is a function? Here is the big idea. A function is like a machine. You drop a number in, one number comes out. Every single time. No exceptions. One input, exactly one output. Always. And we write this relationship using function notation. Instead of writing y equals, we write f of x equals. That is read as f of x. Here is our function. F of x equals 2x plus 3. The x is your input. That is the independent variable, the number you choose. The f of x is your output. That is the dependent variable, it depends on what x is. And here is something important. F of x does not mean f times x. It is not multiplication. It means the output when the input is x. Now let us actually use this function. Let x equal 4. We write f of 4 equals 2 times 4 plus 3. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3 equals 11. So f of 4 equals 11. When the input is 4, the output is 11. That is how evaluation works. Now here is the key question. How do you know if something is a function or not? The rule is simple. Every x value can only appear once. If any x value maps to two different outputs, it is not a function. Let us check 3 examples. Example A. The set 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7. Look at the x values 1, 2, 3. Each one appears exactly once. Every input has one output. That is a function. Example B. The set 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 7. Look at the x values 1 and 1 again. The input x equals 1 maps to both 3 and 5. One input, two outputs. That breaks the rule. Not a function. Example C. The set 2, 4, negative 2, 4, 3, 9. The x values are 2, negative 2, and 3. All different. Two different inputs happen to share the same output of 4, and that is perfectly fine. Same output is allowed. Same input is not. That is a function. So here is your quick recap. A function assigns exactly one output to every input. We write it as f of x, read as f of x. X is the input. F of x is the output. If the same x appears twice with different y values, not a function. But if two different x values share the same y value, still a function. Now you know what a function is. In the next section, we will learn how to evaluate functions with more complex expressions. Like plugging in negative numbers, fractions, and even expressions like a +1. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more clear step-by-step math lessons every week. See you in the next one.